Now that you've joined the TAO mining, you've connected your X account as well as your wallet address. What else do you need to do? I know this is the question that most people are asking. How do I do the mining? After joining, is that all, or do I need to do something else? But don't worry, I'm going to show you in this video right away all you need to do to increase your mining points. Alright? So if you're on this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on our notification to get all the latest updates, and also drop us a comment if you're facing any challenge. Okay? You can see I've already joined and I've connected my wallet address, as you all know. Now, going back to the X, you can see that TAO is trending most on X with 127,000 posts about it. So, for people to make such number of posts about it, you know it's no longer a joke. Okay, so if you want to go through those trends, you can see that a lot of people are talking about the TAO mining. People are posting it, making comments about it, retweeting as well as liking all the trends about TAO. Okay, so now what you need to do is not much here. It's just all about making posts about the TAO, right? When we make posts about TAO, the points are actually going to increase. When we make comments on such posts, tagging the handles, liking and retweeting all those things, since your account is connected already, all those things you are doing with such account is going to be counted as part of the activities. So in that case, you need to make sure that all those things you are going to do with such account should be something that is reasonable. All right. Don't insult people with such account or abuse people with such account since you've already linked the account, right? So for you to get more points now, what we are going to do together, I and you are going to do together now is that we are going to engage with each other's posts. All right. So I'll drop my X account in the video description or the comment section. You can actually follow me, they gain your follow backs. Once I post about it, you can comment on them, retweet them, like them. I also go to your timeline, comment on your handles as well, give you replies on your comments, retweet yours and like your posts as well. So this is not all about referrals right now. Okay, so nobody has the advantage of referring more people. The link you are seeing is from the TAO itself. Okay, the activity is going to determine the leaderboard. So the more you engage with your X account, the more points you are going to get. So there's no point for you to be stingy about this. Comment on people's posts that are talking about the TAO. Also, retweet those posts, like them, and you can also post yours as well. So now you can see the inspect here is the layer 2 for the Bittensor network, right? And this is an a learning model that is used to train AI, all right, artificial intelligence. So this artificial intelligence is going to be used, the data is going to be used to calculate the activities, your points, so that you are going to get your reward at the end of the mining. Okay. So this is the inspect you are mining, and it is sponsored by the Bittensor. Okay. And the points you are going to get at the end of the day is the TAO. So TAO is the token of the Bittensor network. I hope that is understandable. So if you are still asking how do you mine or how do you increase your points, I've already elaborated in this video. All you need to do is just your activities. After I've connected everything, carry out all other activities you need to do and make sure that those activities are very positive ones. You don't want to abuse anybody or post things that are against the X community guidelines. All right. So also people are asking which wallets should they use. I would say in the previous video you can use your MetaMask or a Trust wallet. For me, I use my Trust wallet. Okay. I don't advise you to use your exchange wallets like Bybit or Binance wallets. Those wallets are not the preferred ones. So use non-custodial wallet instead, MetaMask or your Trust wallet. So this is all you need to know for now. And as more updates keeps coming, I'll keep updating you and see you in the next one.